This is my first time vlogging and shit. Man, I had bought this little cheap ass mic off Temu. You just plug in. You know, you just started talking, man. So man, that shit didn't end up working. So I gotta just talk over this motherfucker. So I don't remember half of the shit I was talking about because that was like 35 blunts ago. So shit, hell, I'm rolling on now, goddamn. So shit. Y'all hear me breaking down the weed or smacking the tray, but y'all mind y'all business, bitch. I'm gonna commentate the best I can, but this is a shop in Bessemer, Alabama called Jay's Hydrographic. They customize different guns. Well, any gun for real. Sell all type of gun parts. Anything you damn look for, they sell. So shout out Jay's Hydraulic, and they let me shoot the gun simulation for free. Hey, that was hospitality right there. So this right here in my hand is a 308. I think this is a 14-inch AR. So yeah, that bitch is crispy as a bit. Can't lie. But they sound crazy as hell. But I ain't gonna tell y'all the price. But they was asking for that bit. But boy, I had to put that bit back down. Boy, he told me that price bit. Hey, I wouldn't even want to touch that bit. But shit, now this bitch right here is some serious bit. This is a 5.56 shotgun. That bitch don't got the charger handle at the top of it. I see that it slide back like a shotgun. It take any 5.5 to 2 to 3 mags and all that shit. It take any mag. He showed me a double clip mag. They went it out. Ooh, yeah. Some on the way soon, y'all. But yeah, I'm really thinking about grabbing that bit. That bit nice. I can't lie. That bit caught my eye. Who the fuck I think I am? What the fuck? But anyway, yo, that's your 5.56 shotgun. That's what I'm gonna call it. I don't know the name of this motherfucker, but shit, that bit a motherfucker get you gone, bit. No cap. But yeah. What else, bit? I think I showed some else shit. God damn, this blunt finna be so fucking pearl, bit. Can't lie. Oh, that's not what we here for. Look at Cuzzo. Shout out Cuzzo. That's my boy Troy. Okay, yeah, I remember this. This the Glock 17. I think this a Gen 4. Yeah, I think they did that themselves. They doing stencil work, whatever the fuck it's called. Pretty nice work right there. Can't kill. I'm probably gonna customize my FX9. Bitch, you not that guy. What is you squint your eye for, bitch? My nigga, you don't even see. You not shooting that shit. What you trying to squint your eye for, bitch? But shit, I don't know, bitch, bro. I'm finna get to the simulation part, bro. This is simulation part, bitch. I had to let John Wick Granddaddy go first. Shout out dude. I forgot his name, but hey, shout out Santa Claus, bitch. OG Week just did that bitch just one-handed like, bitch. Hey, y'all gonna see what I did, bitch. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all niggas might wanna click out right now. But shit, watch how he get the motherfucking hitting them hoes. I think he picked the easiest one. Bro, I'm mad as fuck, but we ended up doing a pro one. My cousin, he ended up recording that part. Man. But yeah, we got another simulation challenge coming out. I'm gonna see if we hear a little record it again. He get the smacking them hoes one hand and talking about, come in. Waggle. Just one hand while he on the phone, on the Bluetooth. Waggle. Yeah, what you need, Bubba? Waggle. Hold on, let me get this one right here, Bubba. Waggle. I'm talking about just cleaning them hoes, bitch. You feel me? That nigga just been doing that bitch since 5 a.m. this morning when they opened the shop, bitch. Okay, he hit 17. What I had? Oh, he missed 7. Okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna stop this right here, bitch. My part coming up. Yeah, y'all can. My God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
Yeah, it ain't. I'm busy like that, boy.
You worse than me.
I'm busy good.
God, leave, bro. I ain't know.
30.
This nigga is trash.
Hey, take it easy, buddy. Hey, it's good to see you.
How do I say goodbye to this inside sinner? You block the nigga shot, think I don't throw you trash. Now your ass is trash. Rest in peace to this.
These nuts.
That's terrible, bro. I like this thing, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Don't hit those. That's a penalty.
Sensational.
Good.
Look at that boy. They call him man. Hey. Look at that boy. Say bye. Remember the white ones, penalties. I was told late. I became very fluid with this motherfucker. I cannot shoot this bitch no more than probably 25 feet. Accurate.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Hold up, bitch. Hold up. What the fuck? That way they been driving it. Man, start this over. Oh, hey, this.
Boy.
Hold up.
Boy.
I don't even know this. Like, wait. Oh, God, this is bad. Like, some left-handed call, like, wait. I'm not even neither one no more.
Boy.
Hey, hold up, bro. You got me. I had to relax with it. Be like, what, cool? Like, bro, what, bro? Is it, bro? Wait. Damn, man. Big man. Big. Oh, ain't big right there.
This is America.
I'll play it, nigga. You gotta walk down at this point, bro. Hey, I ain't lying, bro. Oh, what? Hey, what the fuck is it? What? Bro, it's on tripping. I'm looking right at. big hoe hell. I'm not tripping. Hey, bro, it's not working for me. I'm not tripping. I'm not trolling right now. Cause like, wait. What if I got you left hand or something? Damn, bro, that's bad, bro. Hey, bro, hey, y'all, bro. If y'all ever need me take out on jury, bro, Pee Wee, bro. Y'all don't like John with it. I ain't gonna look, play.